Hello everyone. So today I'm starting a new series of questions which are asked in some company. Let's say this question, this missing array question is asked in this many companies like Flipkart, Amazon, Microsoft and all. So I'll be uploading videos on, like, I will be filtering. Let's say I started with the Microsoft, so I'll be uploading videos on the questions which are asked in Microsoft interviews. Okay, and I'll be sharing the solution or approach how to solve this and all. So please stay updated, and if you are not subscribe my channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos. And also you can check the another playlist of leetcode where I'm solving the daily leetcode challenge. We have another playlist of streams, javascript and bit manipulation, prefix some concepts and all. Okay, so let's solve this question. Missing in array. So you are given an array ARR of size n minus 1 that contains distinct integers in the range from 1 to n. Okay, these are inclusive. Okay, this array represents a permutation of the integers from 1 to n with one element missing. Your task is to identify and return missing element. So, you are given an integer array n minus 1. So, that means if we have 4 is the size, that means our n is 5. If size is if size is 4, that means our n is what? N is 5. That means n is size plus 1. So we are given array numbers from this from 1 to this size. That means we will be given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here you can see 4 is the missing and that we have to return. If we see the another example, here what is the size? Size is 7. That means actual n is what? 8. So we have numbers from 1 to 8. So which is missing? 6. So it is returning the 6. And here you can see 1. So what will be the our n? N will be 2. So 1 and 2 out of this, which is missing? 2 is the missing. So it is returning 2. So let's solve this question. How we will solve is first approach. So if you haven't seen the mm, lead code question, which is like 11 date, like 11 January is lead code daily challenge question. It is similar, not similar you can say, but I have used the same approach of hashing and bit manipulation. Okay, so here today we will be seeing this question using hashing and bit manipulation, both the approach. Okay, so first we will see with the hashing. So we know here from 1 to 5. Let's say here 1 to n. Okay, 1 to n we know only this many numbers will be there in our array. So can I use hash? So I can use, I mean, let's say we have one. I'll use, okay, we'll have one array, hash array. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so this will be our hash array if we have 5 as our n. Then this will be array means these are the indexes. Okay, so can I count this from 0 if I exclude the 0, or we can say I'll write till 4 and this, what I say, this number minus 1. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. So I got 1. Again, 2 minus 1 will be 1. 3 minus 1 will be 2. Again, 5 minus here. Okay, here consider 5 minus 1 will be 4. So this is 0 and 4. So we will get this our hash array. So we can see which is the 0. Third index is a 0, but plus 1 we have to return plus 1, so we can return 4. Okay, so if we see this example, okay, we have seen this example 1, 2, 3, 4. So just we have to update that in, or you can say you can use the true or false method instead of one and incrementing and decrementing. Okay, decrementing you have to do anyways. Sorry, incrementing you have to do anyways because we will get the index, but we want to return a number. Okay, so let's say another example. If we take, if we see this example, okay, and now we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is our index. Consider this is our index. So 8 let's say here I'll write 0, 0, 0. 8 minus 1 is 7. It will be till 7 only, right? As the size is 8 minus 1 will be 7, so I'll make it true. 2 minus 1 is 1, so I'll make this true. 4 minus 1 is 3, I'll make this true. 5 minus 1 is 4, I'll make this true. 3 minus 1 is 2, I'll make this true. 7 minus 1 is 6, I'll make this true. 1 minus 1 is 0, so I'll make this true. Which is remaining? 5. Okay, so this is the fifth, no, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth index. But answer is 6. Why? Because we are considering from 0, right? Index is from 0. So we will do plus 1 and return. So this is another example. And for this simple 1 array. Okay, so our this will be 0, and as this will be from 0 and 1, right? Because we are saying till 1. What is the size? N is size plus 1. So if a size is 1, n is 2, so 2. Okay, the size here it will be 2. So 1 minus 1 is 0, and here 0, so we'll get what? Index 1 but the value 2. So in this way we can solve using the hash. Let's say, let's code this. So we'll use int hash is equal to new int what? ARR dot length plus 1. We know size plus 1. Okay. Now, so instead I'll take one variable int n. Okay. Now here it will be n. For int I is equal to 0, I less than ARR dot length I plus plus. Oh wait, I'll zoom it. Mm, okay, maybe it is like this only. Okay. Um, Now hash of what? ARR array of I minus 1 is we will increment, or we can say we can increment. We'll increment. Instead of true false, we'll take the number only. No issue. So this is what hash of, that means this array. Okay, ARR minus 1, that means here we were taking this 8 minus 1, that is 7. At 7th index we will increment. Okay, now we got what? This array. So now we have to find which is 0. So for int I is equal to, as this is ARR dot length, so all the elements we have to trace. Now here what we have to do, less than n I plus plus. So if, okay, so what if my hash of I equal to 0, okay, that means this equal to 0, then I will return what? I plus 1. Okay, and at the end we'll return minus 1 if nothing exists. Anyway, this is not the case in this question, but anyway we have to write the return, right? Return statement. So here we will write the I plus 1. So let's compile and run. Yeah, you can see we are getting the output. Let's say here we'll write 1 2 3 4, and yeah, here you can see you are getting the 5. We'll use the another input as this 8. What? 8 2 4 5 3 7 and 1. 6. Okay, so this is using what? This is using the hashing. Okay, hash method. So now we will see using the bit manipulation method. Okay, so in bit manipulation, So if you haven't watched my bit manipulation, please do watch for the basics. Okay, there are only 5 videos which will clear your basic understanding of bit manipulation, and then you can come to this question and solve by your own, or you can take the help of my video. Okay, so in bit manipulation, we have, okay, we what we have is we have different operators, let's say and, or, XOR. Okay, so we will make use of XOR operator. What is the XOR operator is when, okay, let's say I'll remove this. Okay, if my 1 XOR 1, what it will be? 0. And my 0 XOR 1, it will be 1. Okay, so you can see, if my both the numbers are same, then the XOR will be 0. And if my both the numbers are different, there will be some value I'll get. Here in case it is 1. So in this question, how we will apply this? I know my array numbers will be, let's say for this example, this first example, my numbers will be from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I have XOR, let's say I will find one bit, I'll say bit mask. Okay, 1 XOR 2 XOR 3 XOR 4 XOR and 5. If I find this, and if I again do this XOR with my array elements, that will be, let's say 1, it was already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I do this XOR with my array elements, that is 1, if I do the XOR with 1, then this and this 1 will get cancelled. That means you'll get that 0, and 0 XOR with anything, that anything will be there. Okay, so this will cancel. Now 2, again this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Now I'll use 3, again this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. And the next is 5, and we will, why? So this 5 and this 5 will get cancelled, and our answer we will get 4. So this is the simple thing. Okay, in bit manipulation, you can make use of XOR, duplicates, or you can say even number of times, whatever the numbers are there, that will get cancelled, and the odd number which is there, that will get odd number. That means odd frequency. Okay, so here we have only 1 1, so no issue. So here it will be 0 and 1 only, and 1 is the odd. Okay, so let's do this. How we will do? First, we want a bit mask. Okay, or we say bit XOR. You can say initially it is 0. Now for int I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n I plus plus. Okay, so till n we will do XOR. Initially we'll get this XOR with I. Okay, now we got that XOR. Now we have to do this XOR with our array. So for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, uh, I less than n minus 1. Okay, I plus plus, and yes, right. Or you can say array dot length minus 1. Anything is okay. Bit XOR with XOR what? ARR of I, and at the end we will return this bit XOR. So if I compile and run, let's check if it is working. Yeah, you can see 6. It is working. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5, and we'll use 1. Yeah, we are getting our answer. So in this way this question can be solved. In this video I'm totally focused on hashing and bit manipulation concept. Okay, these approaches I'm using to solve this question. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe my channel, stay updated.